talking about
Basic and network deployment profile.
yeah,
DMP.
yeah, right, right, right,
Yeah.
absolutely, absolutely correct. Yeah, could you please tell me network deployment? What are the file structure of WebSphere? What's its contents exactly? If I install the network deployment profile, what the things we will get?
No, one is set and node, uh,
Okay.
and one admin console.
Hmm.
Okay, I mean DMGR. So through that we can connect the basic profiles, all those things.
Okay.
So
Uh,
number of applications and JVM also we can install number of
okay. What about application server profile? With application server profile, what we will get?
application. Um, I forgot yes.
Okay, no
Yeah,
issues.
I noted actually.
Mm, yeah, let me share my screen and we'll start doing installations today.
Okay.
Are you able to see the putty session? I think you are able to see the putty session, right?
Yeah, I'm able to see.
Okay, this was the VM I have created just now on the VMware.
Okay.
If you see, I have installed the Red Hat 9 on the VMware. I have downloaded the trial version of the Red Hat. I
Okay.
downloaded the ISO from the Red Hat website and I have installed it on my VMware. And see, that's about it. Let me
Can
before
we
the
record the session?
yes, the session is recording.
Okay.
No issues. Let me check one more time whether it is recording or not. Yeah, it's recording. Okay, before going to the installation, the installation of WebSphere can be done using installation manager. There will be a concept called installation manager. In this installation manager, by using this installation manager, we are going to install WebSphere. If any JDKs, whatever the installations, whatever the updates, if you want to do on WebSphere 8 or 9, the installation manager is required.
Okay.
Okay, that was the important point. Without installation manager, we can't do anything. Okay,
Okay.
that's what I'm about to say. Now, uh, let's do the installation manager install first. I have downloaded the installation binary from the IBM website. This was the installation binary.
Okay.
You can also easily download it from. You can also easily download it from IBM website. It's not any big deal. Let me copy it to the server. Why it is not pasting, man? Kubernetes desktop cp-br paste dot. Okay, I have copied it. Uh, as I have no full privileges as to the VM now, so I am doing the installation with root. In the real-time environment, it will be totally different. We doesn't have any access to the root, right? Hello?
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, I have copied the uh, installation manager. If you see the file name here, this will be agent installer Linux and the version of the installation manager. The version of installation manager is 1.9.
Okay.
Okay, now let me unzip this guy. Unzip. Better to create in a folder mkdir binaries. Move binaries. cd binaries. Unzip. Yeah, I have unzipped it.
Okay.
The installation manager can be installed in the two ways, whether you can go with GUI mode or command line mode also. Okay.
Okay.
Now we will see the command line. Okay, here we have command called group inst inc. Okay, let me see what are the options are available here. Group inctc data location. Okay, this was the command for installing
Mhm.
uh, IM. Okay, let me before that let me create a directory with IBM in opt. Okay, in
Okay.
any file system you can install it. Here I am
OPT
uh,
IBM slash.
OPT creating an OPT IBM folder.
Okay.
Okay, now group instinct data location. Here you have to give IM share location. Okay,
Okay.
IBM IM underscore share. Okay, then you need to give installation directory. Installation directory. Installation directory. There is one space. Installation directory. Now you have to give installation directory, that is opt IBM IM. Okay, the naming conventions can be anything. Okay, just for the
Okay.
understanding, I'm giving IM share and IM. Okay,
Okay.
accept license LICE NSE license hyphen file show progress show progress PROGRESS. Let's see this command is correct or not. Something wrong we have given. Probably that was the correct command only. DRI installation. Something spelling I have given wrong in the installation. INST installation. See, yeah, there was a spelling mistake in installation directory. This was a command for installing IM share. If you see this command, data location we are specifying where the data need to be saved. We have given in our here we have given opt IBM IM share, and the installation directory of the IM is opt IBM IM.
Okay.
Okay, I will save this command for you. I'm just pinging this command on the chat. You can save it for reference. Okay, I have pasted it on chat.
Okay.
You are on the computer, right? Not on from mobile phone.
No, no, no.
Okay, fine. Now installation manager has been installed now. Now we have to take the binaries of WebSphere. WebSphere binaries we have to download. Here the IBM is providing multiple options. We can install the WebSphere using web-based directory as well. Web-based directory means there will be one URL provided by the IBM. Using that URL, you can directly download the WebSphere, and the binaries will be downloaded from the internet and not from your local system. If you have access to the password advantage, passport advantage is like something about licensing. If you have some license for the WebSphere or you have purchased the WebSphere product, you can directly download the binaries from the website and you can install using binaries. Okay, in our scenario, we doesn't have any passport advantage licenses, right? So we are downloading using web-based one.
Okay.
Okay, let me go to that particular website. Okay, here in this website, no, this was the URL, IBM WebSphere Application Server Network Deployment. This particular product we are going to be installed, right? So
Yeah.
we need to select this particular one. Okay, now let me check the IM version. Just now we have installed the IM, right? Whether the IM, which version of IM has been installed, let's verify it. For that, you need to go to the installation manager of the IM. Okay, that is opt IBM IM. Okay, after that you need to go to Eclipse, then tools. Here we have command called imcl. Put
Okay.
imcl hyphen version. It will show the version of installation manager. The version of installation manager is 1.9.2.2.
Okay.
Okay, now we need to install WebSphere, right? Using imcl we can do that. Okay, let me put command imcl. First, we will check what are the packages we have in that online repository. Okay, for that, IMCL, let me show the options here. Come on, IMCL, list available packages, list available packages, hyphen, where is repositories? Hyphen, 1 minute, let me check for the command. List available packages hyphen repository REPOSITORIES hyphen repositories space. You need to give the repository name here.
Mm-hmm.
So I'm giving this particular URL. let's see what it will, what are the available packages has been listed in this particular repository. Let's see. Failed to connect the repository, warning, missing credentials, IBM and ID. Okay, we need to provide IBM username and password.
Okay.
This username and password we can create ourselves. It's not about any purchasing thing like that. If you go to IBM website now, you can provide p live.com. Let's do this. I'm saving the password. It is saying invalid credential. Let me try again. I think that was the correct one only. Provide credentials, username, lavi.com, supraj 8553. Okay, let's see. I'm doing the first time installation on like this repositories. Okay,
Okay.
usually we will download the binary files. The binary files will be coming in three types of disk: disk 1, disk 2, and disk 3. Okay, see, if you see here now, lot of WebSphere has been listed here. Okay, our intention is we need to install ND package, correct? No,
Yep.
so let me grep this ND grep -i ND. It will take some time to list. Okay, among this we need to select which type of version, which version of WebSphere we need to install. If you see here, this is 9.0.0 and 9.1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 11.
Okay.
Okay, this was the 11 was the latest version WebSphere. Okay, for our sake, I'm installing this particular one com.ibm WebSphere 90 9.0.0. Okay, let me take the notepad and put the things first in the notepad. Okay, this was the WebSphere version I want to install. Before installing the WebSphere, we need to install the JDK as well. Okay, without the JDK, we cannot install WebSphere. So we need to select the JDK also. Okay, this particular requirement will be given by the application team or application team. What type of the JDK they want exactly. Okay,
Okay.
here I am selecting this particular JDK. Okay, now let me build the command for the installation. Okay, dot slash imcl. One moment. Yeah, imcl install. The package name we have to give here. I have two packages, right? Let me give two
Mhm.
packages. First, you need to give Java first. Control C, Control Z, Java, and then WebSphere. Next, hyphen repositories. We need to select the repository. Hyphen repositories. Then space installation directory. Install installation directory. Now you have to give the installation directory of the WebSphere. Here I'm giving opt IBM WebSphere app server. Okay, this was a standard installation directory location. Opt IBM WebSphere and app server. Okay, then you have to accept the license and show the progress. Let me copy paste the command which we have used for IM installation. Okay, got it right. Now see,
Yeah.
IM install. After IMCL install, we have to specify what are the packages we are going to be installed. So we are going to be installed Java, JDK, and followed by WebSphere version 9.0.0. Why we are installing 9.0.0 currently means if you install directly the latest version, I cannot show how to apply the fix factor. So for that purpose, I'm installing the basic version of the 9.
Okay.
You got my point, right?
Yeah, yeah, got
Yeah. And hyphen repositories. Here in the repositories, as we are giving the web-based installation, so I'm giving the web repository URL here.
it. Okay.
Okay. In if you have binaries, no, then you can keep your binary files here, binary file location.
Okay.
Then hyphen installation directory I'm giving and accepting the license and show progress. Okay, let me execute this guy. Let me clear everything. Clear. CLEAR, clear. Executed it. Let's see what it will ask. Error com package cannot be found. Hmm, okay, something we have given earlier. Prompt, right?
Yeah.
PROMPT. Prompt. Yeah, it is asking provide credentials and connect. .niv.com. To skip entering password, press enter in most cases. Let's see whether we are able to connect or not.
Mhm.
Okay, usually we use this particular command for installing the WebSphere.
Okay.
Yeah, the installation is starting. Here the major difference what we are doing on the real time. On the real time, we have WebSphere binaries on our file system itself. Okay, we have a password advantage details, no? So that we can able to do installation from the local files itself. But here in our scenario, we doesn't have local file system binaries, no? So we have selected the web-based repository.
Okay.
Okay, what will happen in this web-based repository means if you see my earlier command, no, I have listed the packages.
Yeah.
Okay, using that particular URL. In that particular URL, those are the packages are available. So when I'm doing the installation command like this, when I'm doing the installation command like this, it will the installation manager will get the files from this particular repository, web-based repository.
Okay.
It will get the files from this web-based repository and it will start installing the WebSphere.
Okay.
The command was clear, right?
Yeah, yeah.
For you,
Yes, yes. I got it.
what we have added here, hyphen prompt, right?
Python prompt.
Prompt. Okay. It will take some time. It will take around 10 to 20 minutes, something like that. It will be
Mhm.
totally depend upon the internet speed because it have to download the binaries from the IBM website, right?
Yeah.
I have pinged the command on the chat.
Yeah.
Okay, the binaries will be around like 1.3 GB. It will take some time to download. In the meanwhile, we can discuss the things. Okay, if you have the files, if you downloaded the binaries will come in three folders like disk one, disk two, and disk three.
Okay.
Okay, like this it will come zip files. Okay, what you need to do is you need to extract all these three zip files into one location. Make a directory. Make one directory called WebSphere binaries. Okay, in this particular folder, you have to extract all these three disks.
Okay.
Okay, after extracting all these three disks, no, you will get one file called repository.xml file.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, after extracting all these folders in WASBin, you will get repository.xml, and you have to give this particular binary location in the place of repositories. That's
Okay.
it. Nothing difference it. The command will be differed like this. Let me do that command also so that you will understand. Where the repositories. For example, I have extracted my binaries at opt was underscore bin.
Okay.
Okay, when you given this particular thing in the repositories, the IMCL will look for the repository.xml. Okay,
Okay.
after seeing in the repository.xml, the IMCL will able to list the available packages. Okay, what are the available packages? For example, earlier we have shown the available packages for this particular command, right? Okay, it will show like that. What are the available packages? It will take from the repository.xml and it will list all the available packages.
Okay.
This was a major difference.
Okay, first command it will be download through website, web
Yeah,
URL, and
web, yeah,
so this one is when we need to download that repositories and we need to keep that unzip files
unzip
in
files. Yeah,
particular.
correct,
Yeah, and
correct,
give
correct.
the file, share folder location.
Share folder location. Yeah,
Okay.
sometimes it will be difficult for us, right, for downloading the binaries and copying to the servers. So in
Okay.
that case, we will do like this. Okay, for
Hmm.
example, if you are using some Amazon cloud server, no, they won't allow to copy the files to upload on the server, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, then we can use the web-based repository. Okay, I will share this particular link also to you. You can also search by yourself so that you will get some idea.
Yeah.
For me, yesterday it took around 20 minutes to figure it out how we can download the binaries. And at last, I found we cannot find the trial binaries. Only we have to use web-based repository.
Okay.
Okay, here there was no restriction of operating system. These are all the generic binaries. Okay,
Okay.
whatever the operating system it was being taken automatically. Okay,
Okay.
if you see here in the I will show the list again once this command is completed.
Okay.
Okay, there you can find the ZOS or something like that. Operating systems. According to operating systems, you have to select the binaries
Okay.
like this. Okay,
Okay. Okay.
you got my point, right?
Yeah. Yeah. I got it.
Then it will take some time to download the things. If you a little bit come down means this is also now web-based repositories. If you want to install the base, you can use this one.
Okay.
Okay, VAS9 base. This one is VAS9 base, and this one is VAS9 ND. VA VAS9 ND. This particular repository will consist of all these things. WebSphere Application Network Deployment ND and Java SDK 8 and IBM HTTP Server 9.0 and plugins, WebSphere plugins. Web server plugins for WebSphere 9.0. All
Okay.
these packages will be available. Okay, just what you need to give, just to copy this particular URL and provide it in the place of repositories, and you can list it and you can select and you can install whatever you want.
Okay.
Okay, this was a very simplified one. After installation, we'll check how to create a profile. Okay, go
Okay.
back to our whiteboard. Whiteboard yesterday 9:40. Maybe this one. If you downloaded the binaries, no, it will take a very less time. See, What are the types of profiles we have here? Now we are doing network deployment installation, not base installation. Okay,
Okay.
network deployment installation doing. So we are able to get application server profile, network deployment profile, custom profile. Okay,
Okay.
let's wait for some time to complete that particular command. Meanwhile, let me open another session and I will provide the commands for what is the IP man? I forgot the IP. 1 minute. There is nothing to share the binaries. Okay, you can download it from the Red Hat. Root. The right factory. Okay, now can you tell me what is the installation manager location?
OPT/IBM. Uh,
opt/IBM. I need installation manager location.
yeah, this is the one.
Okay,
Installation.
okay. You
Inside
don't
that.
know the installation manager location, right? Just go to this particular directory.
Mhm.
Whatever you are suspecting, maybe the IMCL installed in this particular location, something like that. You have some uh, prediction, right? So go
Yeah.
to the directory. You can put the find command, find dot hyphen name IMCL. If you put like this, you will get
Mhm.
the exact location. Got it, right?
Tools. Yeah. Eclipse. Yeah. Okay.
Okay. Now go to this tools dot slash IMCL list available packages hyphen repositories repositories and the repository location. I'm giving this prompt. Okay, this hyphen prompt will not be there if you are have already downloaded the packages to your
Mhm.
server. Okay,
Okay.
maybe my spelling mistake. Unrecognized command list available packages hyphen repositories. Okay, lot of spelling mistakes, man. Sorry for the troubling you. We usually copy paste the commands, right?
Yeah.
For the type the commands, that was very big. Dot .imcl, let me go. Just put dot .imcl and put enter. It will show uh, all the options what you have. Okay, list available packages, then hyphen repositories. Okay, look, the IMCL is logged with this particular process, so it is taking some time.
Okay.
Okay, you understood, right? what you need to be done exactly.
Yes, yes.
Okay.
Today I need to install this and all.
Yeah, yeah. Try to install it, and you can create your account like this. Just I am showing to you.
Mm-hmm.
Actually, it will take some time. I can show you, but I will put this session like this. Okay, it will install, and tomorrow I will show you where it has been installed exactly. Okay, you can create your IBM ID.
Mm-hmm.
Create IBM ID was there, no? Here, you just click on it. You can provide your details.
Okay.
Okay, nothing need to be given. Any credit card details, nothing need to give. Only just register your name here, and you will get your IBM ID, and you can set the password. Whenever you are using this particular web repository, no, just give your username and password. That's it. It will start doing installation.
Okay.
Okay, now you got point, right?
Yeah, yeah, I got
Yeah.
it.
So, can you tell me what is required for the what is the first step of WebSphere installation?
I mean, requirement means
Yeah, yeah. What is the required? How you are doing the WebSphere installation?
first we need to install the manager of. Uh,
What's the
this.
manager? Yeah.
uh,
Let me tell you. Let me recap the things. For the any WebSphere installation, IMCL is required.
yeah,
Okay,
I am
IMCL is called installation manager.
manager.
Okay, installation manager is used for any installation of WebSphere or updating the WebSphere, or if you want to install any fix pack or iFix, okay, through installation manager only you can do it. Without installation manager, we cannot able to install the WebSphere.
Okay.
Okay, so only in the first step we have downloaded the IMCL and we have installed the IMCL, and later we have installed
Okay.
WebSphere.
WebSphere application. Yeah.
Yeah, one moment. Huh? You got it right?
Yeah, I got it.
Okay, you can copy it and save the commands from your end. Okay, sell list available packages prompt. Uh, Let me explain you the command. List available packages to show what are the available packages was there in the repository. Okay, uh, the second command is to install. Hi, dot slash imcl dot slash imcl. You need to give what are all packages, and you have to give the repository name, and you have to give the installation directory and accept license, show progress.
Okay.
Okay, that's it. The WebSphere will be available. Tomorrow we will see how to create a profile. Okay, as we are using network deployment, right?
Yeah.
I will tell you how to create a profile, how you can create a JVM, what are the things we will get after creating the application server profile. Okay, tomorrow we will see how to create an application server profile and how cell, node, JVM will create.
Okay.
Okay,
Okay.
okay then. Okay, see
I
you
will
then.
send today
Mm.
some amounts.
Okay, just
Okay.
to give a try. This was a little bit simple process only.
Okay.
Okay, just to give a try.
So, okay.
Even IMCL also you can directly download. Okay,
Mhm.
let me show you how to download it. You can just Google it and go to Fix Central. Type Fix Central,
Fix it. Okay.
Fix Central, and You can put your IBM credentials and you can select installation manager directly.
Okay.
Okay,
Okay.
yeah. That's all about today. Any questions do you have?
No, sir.
Okay.
I'll try today. So installation process. If
Mm.
anything doubts, means I'll tomorrow we'll discuss on this.
Okay, fine, fine. Just to make sure to copy these commands to some of your notepad.
Yeah, I already
Okay,
done that.
okay, that might be very useful for you. Okay,
Okay.
after this WebSphere installation, no, we will see how a lot of options was there available in IMCL, right? We'll see few options. What usually we use it in the industry. Okay, and I will be sharing this particular recording to you through G Drive link. You can directly access from your browser itself. No need to download also.
Okay, sir.
Okay, fine then.
Right. Thank
Yeah,
you.
bye. Have a great day, man.
Thank you. You too, sir.
Bye.